How to fix a TikTok shop not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok shop not showing in your account problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, let's make sure that we are using the updated version of TikTok. Head over to your Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update sign here, tap on update. And once you have updated your app, tap on open. Make sure to get logged into your TikTok account, then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Then tap on the three bar icon on your top page. There you will see Creator Tools. Tap Open it. As you do so, you will land onto this page, and under Creator next, tap onto TikTok Shop for Creator as a second last option. So it says that in order to get the feature for your product with TikTok Shop, you need to fulfill certain criteria. For instance, you need to have over 1,000 followers and you should be at least 18 years old. For now, the 18 years old has been checked, but in case you don't have 1,000 followers or so, you won't be able to see the TikTok Shop option in your TikTok account. And just like so, in case you fulfill all these criteria, tap on apply at the bottom page and you will be able to see the option. And that is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.